Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Bluetooth adapter in your Mac and turn it on back. If you do not have the Bluetooth icon here in the menu bar, what you can do is you can go to this control center, and within the control center, you would be able to see this Bluetooth which is currently set to on. Now, if you want to disable, you can just quickly switch off this toggle switch and it will disable the Bluetooth. Now, if you want to re-enable the Bluetooth, what you can do is you can just simply enable this toggle switch and then it will enable the Bluetooth. Now, if the option is not available here and if you want to go into advanced setting, what you can do is you can click on this Apple logo here and select the system settings, and within the system settings you can choose this Bluetooth in the left side panel, and here you would be able to see this switch where it will again disable the Bluetooth and then re-enable it, and it also display the devices that are currently connected. So since I just disconnected it, all the Bluetooth devices are disconnected, but if I try to just reconnect it, now you can see the two devices have been automatically connected. In this way you can turn off your Bluetooth adapter on your Mac. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.